Tadasan. Stand tall with 1 foot distance between both your legs. Lift your toes up and press it firmly on the ground. Tadasan is the great foundation pose for all standing asanas in yoga. Now squeeze your hips, engage your core. Do not droop your chest. Don't lean forward or don't lean backward. Place both your palms by the side of your body. Roll your shoulders back. Fix your gaze at one point in front of your head. Now, as you inhale, raise your right arm forward and upwards towards the ceiling, simultaneously rising up on the toes in synchronized manner. Retain this position and hold your breath for 6 counts. Your arm must be close to your ears in the final position. And other arm is straight but relaxed by the side. While exhaling, slowly bring your right hand back to the normal position and simultaneously lower the heels back to the starting position.